Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. We're going to show you how to change your Yale style barrel on your lock. All right, first we have two screws that are on the inside of here, one there, one there. So we're going to get those out, and sometimes some of them will have another one somewhere around, but we're going to just take those two out for now and see what we end up with. Okay, I'm gonna get the screwdriver bit and come back. Okay, here we go. Do that one out. See the way I'm turning? That's one screw. Obviously the other way is do it up. So that there for a minute. Take this one off. Out, not off. Right, so that screw's just there for a minute. Our lock now should just come straight off. And there we are. Alright, so that's your lock. This is this pit here is located into there. So as you turn your key, it turns this. Okay, once you get that off, this plate, it's got an extra screw there, but these two are what hold your lock on. So I'm gonna have to open up, take that off, and see. Andre, do me a favor. If you go outside, yeah, and just hold the lock. Yeah. Yeah, no, the lock is gonna come out. The barrel. Right, take one out. Not sure how long these screws are.
Yeah.
Is it moving?
No, not yet.
Now?
Yeah.
Alright, pull it out.
Pull it, yeah?
Yeah. Got it, yeah?
Yeah, there's a screw there.
Yeah, that's alright.
Keep the screw there, yeah?
Yeah. And that's it. Well, this screw you're talking. Right. So keep your bits together for when you get your new lock. And that's how you take your lock off. So we're gonna go and purchase new locks, and then we get back to you again. Okay, dokie. See you later. Okay, and welcome back to Tradespeople's Tips. Now, this is the lock that came out. As you can see there, it's bent. Why it's bent? But I've dropped it down here somewhere. Alright, let's get that blade back. Alright. These notches on here, you can cut them or break them depending on how thick the wood is your lock is against. But what I've done, I've used my pliers and just pulled that away, that's clipped there, and that is what holds this in, right? So what I'm gonna do before I start anything, I'm gonna try and fit this new lock in, and then if it won't fit in, then I'm gonna swap this bit because it may be bent for a reason. Okay, so let's get this one open and see where we go from there. Right, there you are. I've stand them both up, the new and the old, and they're both about the same length, so I shouldn't have to cut or break anything. So that goes there, that goes over there, that sits in like that. We get our keys. And we'll put our keys in right Come on, if you don't mess me about. There's your key. You turn your key and it turns that. Okay, so we're gonna go and put this on our door now and see how we end up. Alright, see you in a minute. Okay, we're ready to fit our locks. Now, as I said, that bit goes on there, that bit goes on there, and your lock goes in. Those are the holes that are gonna line up with those two holes. So you get that, put it in there like that, get it square. Don't worry about the mark, the original mark, maybe because the lock is bigger or different covering around it. Alright, so we get back here now, and you can see the holes just there. There we go, so over there and there. Anyway, let me get my screw caught up and everything. See you in a minute. Okay, there's our locks fitted and everything. Nice and secure. Now, your screw that you replace here, alright? These are the original, different lock. The screws are a bit thicker, okay? But what you do need to check is the length of the screw from there to there, so that when you're screwing it into whatever it's going into, you know, it ain't gonna not be long enough. You got to take it out and start again, that sort of thing, or it's too long. Right, now we got that on. Here's our lock. Let's just put our lock in place. Now there is that where that is going to go into, just like that. I don't know if you can see that. See, goes in just there, and that fits on there. It'll lock. Get it square. In fact, it doesn't even matter what position it locks it in. There, okay, and there, and it fits, and the holes are lined up. So if we're gonna put that on, and then we're gonna turn it. So I need to screw that on before I can turn it, because I need one hand. So it's got to be secure. See you in a minute. Okay, there's our lock all fitted, secure. If we turn our key, it works. Let's just try locking it. Well, we can't do it. Well, you can see it kind of work, but this needs to be locked from the inside. I can't walk away around. But if I turn my key, there you go. All locked. Turn my key, open. Right, so that's it from Tradespeople's Tips, how to fit your Yale lock. Okay, till next time. See you later. Have fun. Be fair to each other. Stop robbing people, those who are right there doing it. Okay? Have a good life.